to get started someplace. I think if a given opportunity like you guys are offering, I think it's almost like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get an education, to learn a trade, and to come out debt-free. I mean, that's a win-win deal.
It's really hands-on, as you can see. I get paid and I get credit, and it's fun.
For Alexis being our first apprentice, I'm so proud of her, but you know, when she came in, she was nervous, she was scared.
She's been on the line training her how to cook on saute 1 to 2, and she's pretty good.
And now she can handle the nighttime rush, she can handle the daytime rush. I think that she's definitely learning a lot, and I can't stress enough, you know, how excited we are that someone had the foresight to start this program and that we get a chance to be involved with you guys. Your program, we just got to get more people in the program. You know, fill that pipeline up with people. He would like to have her in the building more often. Okay. But I know she has to go to school.
I like the college classes that I take because the teachers are nice. They treat you like you're a college kid.
I don't care how busy of a restaurant you are. Getting good people is really hard, and I think if you get them when they're young, I think you'll have them for a long time. And I think if you just give them a chance, we can't stress enough, give them a chance, they won't let you down for sure.
I like getting the chance to actually experience how to be a part of my work field.